Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be looking at text formatting features. In particular, for this video we're going to be focusing on the font, right? But before we begin, I'm going to ask that you like and share this video as well as subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So whether it is that you're a pro or it is that you're just starting out, formatting of your text can give your document the boost that you really want. Now, to format any text, you must first highlight the text, right? So currently my cursor is after time in the story time area here, and my insertion point is right where you see that little line blinking on my screen. It means that anything I'm going to be doing now is going to be right there. So if I type anything now, it's going to be at the insertion point, right? So to highlight a text, I do a left click hold and drag across, right? So as you see that gray area coming over it, it means that the text is now highlighted and I can make the changes that I want to make to my text, right? So to change or modify your font, right, we use the Home tab, and we're going to be looking in this as a section here that says font. All right, so the first thing we're going to be working on is how to change your font style, right? And the font style is the look of the text itself. So Arial Black, it changes it to that look, right? Arial Round changes it to that. If I go Calibre, it looks different, right? So if your document, if let's say you're doing a research and you were indicated, it was indicated what font you should use, then you can search for it here. If you're just browsing to have fun, then you can always play around with the fonts that are there, right? Then beside it, we have your font size that allows you to increase or decrease the size of the font on your page. You could also do that by selecting the increase font size, which is going to increase it with every click, or the decrease font size, right? Now, beside the increase and decrease font size, we also have the option of changing the case, right? So we can change to uppercase, which means all my letters will be in all caps, right? Lowercase, which means all my letters will be lowercase, right? Sentence case, meaning the first word of the sentence will be capitalized, or I can capitalize each word, right? So if I select uppercase, it will change all my letters to uppercase right there, all right? Now there's also the option to bold, right? And that's that little B there. And what it does is it puts a dark, well, black, extra thick line around each letter, making it pop and present more to the audience. Right? There's also the option of italics, which leans the text to the right. Right? There is underline. This is also another feature that I can use to make my text stand out to my users, right, or my readers. There is also the option to highlight. So highlight, what this does is it puts a color across the words similar to what you would do with a highlighter, right? I can also change the color of my font, right, by selecting the font color option. Now, let's say I wanted to have this pull tool here raised above, right? I can simply select the superscript option, right? And it will raise the text above the line right there. That's similar to what you would do if, let's say, you had H2O and you want the 2 to be below, then I simply highlight it and select the subscript option. Now,